What's going on, guys? So I just finished work and it is pissing down rain. Like, oh, it's soaking outside right now. And just like the other night, I picked up the engine crane, so I can start pulling apart the VS. I can pull the motor, basically get it ready for everything to drop the new motor in, turbo, all that stuff, and just remove everything that I don't need. For those of you that don't have me on Snapchat and wonder what I do for work, I drive this truck and deliver bread around Canberra, basically 6 nights a week, sometimes 7, which is mint. What's going on, guys? I just want to say I'm really sorry about the late upload. It's been like really shit weather. It was like -4 this morning, so that was fun. And yeah, I lost my voice for like 2 days, so that was good too. Today we're back with the VS, and I think we're going to start removing the top swap for one of you lucky peoples. So got all the fully sick tools out, and we're going to drain the radiator, take that out, give us some room in the engine bay so we can get at like the crank pulley, all the pulleys we need for the like double idler pulleys basically for the Charger setup, and then yeah, work from the Charger down. You keen? Yep. Get that under there. So can't wait to have a fat intercooler coming out of there. I'll just, you know what I'll do? I'll just chop the front out, the bottom half. No.
No bumper engine.
VL turbo spec, bro. Yeah, so get it the bottom hose screw. Stock suspension in the front.
Fucking Jesus.
Come on. Fuck this. This is how you work on cars. Trust me. So that method wasn't the best, admittedly, but it worked. It's coming. Bro! This isn't even real.
You think you'll be better off about the radiator?
Ah, shut up! I got it.
Yes, God.
Don't tell me how to live my life.
Look at that. Ooh.
Well, we know it doesn't have cracked heads because it's not all like milky and shit.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's a good sign.
That milky like Jack Skipper.
Wow, Brayden, as if. Just get the rest of the radiator lines off. Oh, fuck yeah. Don't think I'm going to need this anymore. That'll probably go with the... Yeah, this will go with the top slot. Yeah. Bro. Listen, alright? You fucking keep your distance. No, someone commented and said, remember the last video she was climbing on my car and all that? She doesn't like Holdens, and that's why she was doing it, and that's why she didn't help me fix it. So, back off, mate.
No, she does like Holdens.
No, it's a trick, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Go away.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Fucking hurt my fingers. It's too cold.
Alright. It is freezing. So yeah, we'll pull the radiator. There's nothing connecting it now, so we can literally just pull it straight up. Out. Let's get down and dirty. Get off me, bro.
Ooh.
Well, this was a success.
Ooh. This is what you call dirty dancing.
You just gotta finesse it. So can you tell where it was like exposed to open air? through the two nose parts of the grill and down the bottom there. That's crazy, because I bought that brand new. Whoa. Anyways, there's a lot more room in there now. Now I can actually climb in there. Alright, now we'll work out the fuel rail and all the other fiddly little bits. Get them out. So we got all the fuel injector clips and harness parts off. And just getting the rail off now. Oh, yes, Daddy. Lift her off, son. Whole thing. Oh, wait, vacuum line. Okay. Should be good. It's hooked on there. Yes. It's like a shell. No, they're fine. They're not connected on the other end. There we go. I always wanted to polish this. That's something I really wanted to do.
Oh, no, great.
Oh, shit. Injectors are still on it. Good fun. That's bare, bro.
Not as bare as it's gonna be.
Let's get this bad boy off. Ooh, yes. Oh, my bolt. Alright, now let's get it out. Couldn't fuck around with the clamp down here because it's one of these really shitty clamps. So I just pulled it straight out of the booster. Oh yeah. Come on!
Can we get in there?
Got this. Charger was pretty healthy. Yeah, this is a good charger. I can't see any scoring on the rotors, on the blades. Maybe like slight bits, but definitely not terrible. And yeah, that's that. So charger's off, fuel rails are off, injectors out. Now working on the lower inlet manifold. All the 3/8 bolts all around here in the back. I already had a go at them, and the only one that was tight was this one, so that's really good. And then yeah, once they're out, get everything else that's out of the way, and have a go at these head bolts down in there. Good fun.
That was
Yeah,
too loose.
I told you. Really loose. Bro, this is so sad.
Like,
I want to cry. Yeah, I know. It's literally nothing. Getting there. Get that thermostat off. It's really dirty. Like, the first thing I did when I got this motor in the VX Calais that it came from was do the rocker cover gaskets because it was pouring oil. But yeah, I'm gonna degrease the shit out of like everything here. So, yeah. See it slowly coming out. Come on. I really need ratchet spanners, goddamn. Anyway, yeah, this part's out. It's a bit of a prick, but you get that. So now we need to pull this little son Jimmy out. You can see that wiggling down there. Almost there. One last little bolt. Little. Bro, this is such a cunt. Ooh, whoa, yes. Bye bye, don't care. It's out. Holy shit, dude. Have a go at that. It's crazy. It's just so bare. Take those coil packs off. Look at all the, like, just old grease and dried oil all over it too. Oh. Anyways, yeah, we need to get to that bolt there.
And there's a bolt under here.
Yeah.
And they are this side.
But yeah, guys, this whole thing is pretty much just a pattern. You just crisscross each side, and it's identical on like each side, basically. Bar a few bolts here and there, obviously. But yeah, it's exciting and sad at the same time. I am like pulling it apart, taking it out, but it's making way for something bigger, something better, something with more power. Oh, that is so satisfying. Like, we removed this part and it's bare as fuck. That's so sick. Pull that out. Oh shit. Oh no, I think I did. Yeah, with harmonic balancers, you should always put your like socket or whatever on with an extension and lean it like on your rail or like against the floor, either one. If you have a big enough bar in the room, whatever you can lean it against, and then crank your motor, it'll spin the pulley, hold the bolt still, and that'll loosen your thing without you doing any physical labor. Pro tip. Everyone probably knows that, but anyway, let's get this shit out.
Yes!
And now you should be able to get to that one. Oh, man.
Oh, I think I can. Yep.
Wait up, I can rip. And there's that off. It's down, getting real fucking empty in here. Got a lot of room. Parts pile is growing. Someone's gonna win all that. Now I'm gonna try and pry this off and then work our way on the heads. And then harmonic balancer, idler.
And then we have a bed block.
So, learn something new every day. There's a fucking bolt down here. I was like, why is this not coming off? There we go.
That's the cunt.
That is.
Oh, look how easy that was. Oh shit.
Dump out. Yeah, take the gaskets. Thanks, mate.
You don't need to do that.
Bro, this is a clean fucking engine.
Do you need it?
No, you get new ones. Like, overall, man. Oh, not the cleanest, but I've seen a lot worse. Damn. Far out. She's pretty bare now. But yeah, overall, like, inside here is not gunky. It's not, like, dirty, really. It's oily, obviously. But it's not... I can't really see much build-up.
It's not meant to be oily or anything.
No, it's not meant to be oily. What do you mean?
It's meant to be grinding, sparks coming out and shit.
Yeah. Alright, just set that down next to the charger. That's almost the whole top swap. Now what's left is this.
Which is all just a turn of the key.
And then your heads. So I already got two out down there. There's this one and then that one. Then there's going to be that one and then one more down the end, and then I'll fall on the other side. So Braden's going to try and crack these ones. Head bolts are fun, eh? Yeah, so as far as I know, it's those 4 bolts up top, and then these. See that one there. That one. Down on the outside, like where your sparkies go. Ugh, it's going to be a prick to get on this side. I don't know if we're going to be able to get this side today. I plan on coming tomorrow after work and starting to lift this motor out, and that's the only way we can get this extractor out, and that's probably the only way we're going to get to this side lower head bolts. And yeah, anyway guys, that's all we're going to be able to do today, so we're going to call it here. We're going to need to get some sleep for work tonight. But yeah guys, as always, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below what you thought. Let me know what you think about the whole giveaway. As usual, I want to know your guys' feedback, any suggestions, anything at all. Comment below. I love to sit down and read all the comments and reply to them all. And yeah, so that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment below, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video.